Samsung front load washer is displaying an SE error code. This is actually very easy to fix. All you gotta do is pull this out. So I got myself a fork. So what you gotta do in here, plastic, it's not necessary, but you gotta pull this out and drain all the water by removing it. You could use something like a water bottle. And then you're supposed to remove the filter by twisting this. And all you gotta do is just simply clean it. It's supposed to be cleaned once every 2 months. If it doesn't get cleaned, you get an SE error. What you gotta do is twist this. I'm squeezing it with my fingers. So now I'm draining it. Wait till the water stops draining. You could already tell the bowl has some trash in it. Reinstall it using a twisting motion. So now it's on. Now we're gonna go ahead and get to the filter. And check it out, guys. No wonder it's not working. We did the best cleaning job that we could possibly do. So what you could do now is pull all the junk out, and boy is it full. It's got screws in here, we got pieces of plastic or metal, oh look at that, Penny Richard. Piece of pen here. So if you want, you could use a fork. It will make your job safer, because you never know what you're gonna find in here. There's easily could be sharp objects. Boy, this filter is nasty. Look at all this stuff. So you just gotta clean this filter up really good and stick it back in there. So it's almost clean. I'm just going to rinse it and it'll be time to reinstall. So now all we gotta do is insert this filter back. I think there might be a certain way it goes in. So I think it goes in like that. So there's this notch. That notch goes towards the bottom like that. Now you could see it is now going. So if you don't put the notch in, it's not gonna work. So we could just shut it down. Now what you gotta do is turn it off. It's off now. Turn it back on. And we're gonna go ahead and hit start. So now it's beginning to work. It's pouring the water in. And I'll wait till it's finished to finalize the video to let you know what's happening. I don't know if I should be worried. 19 minutes left. Still working. 11 minutes left. Still going. 2 minutes left. Looks like it's drying. That is a good sign. We got the happy sound and looks like everything has worked. So if this has helped you out, guys, give me a big like and a sub to the channel. Let me know in the comment section if this helped you out. Thank you. Bye-bye.